Class 10 English Textbook First Flight Chapter 2 consists of one prose, Nelson Mandela, Long Walk to Freedom, which is an autobiography of Nelson Mandela. He was the first black South African president who served the country from 1994 to 1999. Here I bring you a summary of the prose. It includes an illustrations of Nelson Mandela's inauguration ceremony and excerpts from his speech and the struggles he faced as a freedom fighter. Long Walk to Freedom describes the struggle for freedom of black people in South Africa. On 10th May 1994, Nelson Mandela took the oath as South Africa's first black president after more than three centuries of white rule. His party had won 252 out of the 400 seats in the first democratic elections in the history of South Africa. Many dignitaries and political figures from several countries had attended the inauguration ceremony that took place in the Union Buildings amphitheater in Pretoria. In his speech, Mandela addressed all dignitaries respectfully and assured his fellow countrymen that his country would never experience similar suppression by one group over another. While vying as the first black president, he established democracy in the country and said there would be no discrimination of people irrespective of caste, color, creed, or race. During his historical address, Nelson Mandela assured his fellow countrymen that the God would always treat all the people of the country with due respect and equality. The lovely day of inauguration was symbolic for Mandela as the South African people sang two national anthems. Mandela reminded how the black-skinned people earlier were exploited by the white people. He deeply felt the pain of his race and said that this type of suppression and racial domination of the white-skinned people against the dark-skinned people on their own land gave rise to one of the hardest and most inhuman societies the world had ever seen or known. He strongly believed that no person is born to hate the other person on the basis of skin color, background, or religion. Although people must learn to hate, they can be taught to love, as well as love comes more naturally to humans than hate. He also mentioned how a person becomes brave not because he doesn't feel afraid, but because he knows how to conquer his fears. Furthermore, Mandela stated that every man's life has two major obligations. The first one being towards his family, parents, wife, and children, and the second obligation towards his motherland, countrymen, and community.